So we decided to get a dishwasher for Christmas. Well, actually, I got it for my husband for Christmas because we just are having a hard time keeping up with the dishes in this small sink. But it was a little bigger than we expected, so we decided to stick it underneath the counter. So we took this little drawer out that was on top and moved the big drawer to the top and put that dishwasher under there. You'll have to excuse the mess, but it ended up fitting just perfect, and we can barely close the little doors, but it fits and it works. So we are happy campers with our tiny dishwasher.